Another thing that I want you to be aware of is that if you need to zoom in, you see this little like magnifying glass thing? That can make it so you can see the measures more closely, and there you zoom out. So use that little like circle magnifying glass. You go down and up. Great. So just a quick recap how we made this drum beat is we dragged from Impulse, we dragged this vintage funky drum kit. I pressed this to record. I'm pressing the key that corresponds to the drum, and there it's showing up. It's obviously not in time, I'm just showing an example. And that's how. The other thing you notice me do is I hit this key right here to stop this from playing because I wanted to record something here. So let me just show you something else. This goes back to the beginning of this. I'm going to play it. And you say, oh, that's terrible because it's so out of rhythm. Let me delete that and do it again. You can highlight that, delete, gone. And let's try again. And you realize, oh, it's still not working. What can I do to fix that? What you can do is you can quantize it, set your rhythms. So how to do that? You would go to Edit, Record Quantization, and I could hit that, and that would adjust. Okay, so let's get rid of that because it's not in time at all. And I'm going to delete this because I don't need it, and this, and we're going to move on to the next thing. The next thing we're going to do is duplicate our drum beat and then do some subtractive editing so we can get different versions of our original beat here. So in order to do that, you click on this beat and you hit duplicate. Let me try that again. Duplicate. And let's duplicate it again. So just to remind you, here's the original. Great. Now let's look at this one. Going to zoom in. Oh, that's a little too much. Let's zoom out actually. Okay. And I'm going to delete some things. Actually, I want this one to be really simple. So I'm going to take out everything that's not that top part. And you hear it now. The version of it. And with this one, I am going to, let's see, let's play around with this one. Let me hear it again to sync. Let's take out this and that. Let's listen to that, see if we like it. Take out a little more. So I want it to be a variation. So I'm removing some of the parts in order to give it a slightly different sound, but since it's taken from the original, it will still fit. The 3 of these samples will fit as a whole. Great, I like that.